Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to fix a low text HTML ratio on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, the text to HTML ratio pretty much means how much text is shown on your page versus how much code there is in your site's front end. So that is important because if you have too much HTML in comparison to your text, you're pretty much bloating your site and adding unnecessary code, which doesn't need to be shown. You should keep it to a minimum, keep the CSS to a minimum, which is needed to achieve what you want to achieve, but also have a good response time and speed up your site. Now, you can do this manually, and to access your site's HTML, what you need to do is go over into your FTP program or a file manager, locate your PHP files, and edit the code that way so that you don't have any unnecessary code that bloats up your site and doesn't do pretty much anything. Other than that, what you can do is you can also use a plugin. So just go into the marketplace. You're going to search for some Minify plugins, which are readily available. So just type in Minify, and you should get some Minify plugins. As you can see, you have Minify HTML, which pretty much just cleans up your code automatically. And you also have CSS Minify, which is also handy to cut down on code that is not needed. And as you can see, there is a very wide array of Minify plugins which you can use to speed up your site and to improve your text to HTML ratio. Now, I can't install plugins myself because I'm on the free plan. However, if you have a business plan, you can try out any one you would like, and that should be good. Now, I do like Minify because it concentrates JavaScript and CSS files, and I'm pretty sure it does it for HTML as well. If it doesn't, just install the Minify HTML plugin as well, and that should be good enough. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.